Xiaomi Mi Dual Mode Wireless Mouse Silent Edition, game-changing productivity. Hey tech fans! If you're searching for a wireless mouse that combines sleek design, flawless functionality, and whisper-quiet performance, look no further than the Xiaomi Mi Dual Mode Wireless Mouse Silent Edition. I'm a huge Xiaomi enthusiast, and this little gem has quickly become my go-to for work and play. Let's dive in and explore why. Effortless connectivity. One of the standout features of this mouse is its dual-mode connectivity. Whether you prefer the reliability of a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver or the versatility of Bluetooth, this mouse has you covered. Switching between modes is a breeze with a simple button press, allowing you to seamlessly transition between devices. I love this flexibility, especially when I'm jumping between my laptop and desktop. The sweet sound of silence. The Silent Edition moniker is well-deserved. Xiaomi has engineered this mouse to provide a remarkably quiet clicking experience. Gone are the days of distracting clicks and clacks, a true blessing in shared workspaces or quiet libraries. Late-night work sessions or gaming marathons won't disturb anyone around you. It's honestly quite impressive how unobtrusive this mouse is. Comfort that goes the distance. Xiaomi clearly understands that a mouse needs to feel as good as it performs. The Mi Dual Mode wireless mouse features a contoured shape that comfortably nestles into the curves of your hand. Its size is just right, not too bulky or too small, and the subtle textured finish provides a secure grip without feeling rough. Even after hours of use, I experience zero hand fatigue. Precision and smooth control. Under the hood, this mouse packs a 1300V optical sensor, which translates to accurate and responsive tracking. Whether you're editing spreadsheets, browsing complex documents, or even tackling some light gaming, the precision is spot on. The scroll wheel is equally impressive, it's smooth, tactile, and helps you effortlessly navigate long pages or websites with ease. Functionality beyond the basics. The Mi Dual Mode wireless mouse also boasts two well-positioned side buttons. Customize these to your liking for quick navigation, special shortcuts, or anything else that boosts your workflow. Personally, I love mapping them to back and forward commands when browsing the web, total time savers. Battery life that won't quit. Xiaomi claims an impressive battery life, and I'm inclined to agree. Powered by a single AA battery, this mouse can last for months on end under regular use. It's one less gadget to worry about constantly charging. When the battery does get low, a convenient indicator light will give you ample warning to pop in a replacement. Aesthetics meet minimalism. While performance is key, let's not forget that a mouse is often a permanent fixture on our desks. Xiaomi nails the minimalist yet stylish design. Its clean lines and subtle curves blend seamlessly into any workspace setup. It's available in classic black or elegant white, both look fantastic. Unbeatable value. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about the Xiaomi Mi Dual Mode Wireless Mouse Silent Edition is its price. Xiaomi has a knack for delivering high-quality tech at incredible value, and this mouse is a shining example. It easily rivals the performance and features of more expensive options while keeping your wallet happy. The verdict? If you're looking for a reliable, super comfortable, and incredibly silent wireless mouse, your search may very well end here. The Xiaomi Mi Dual Mode Wireless Mouse Silent Edition is an exceptional productivity companion. So, what are you waiting for? I hope you found this overview helpful. If you're hungry for more tech reviews or gadget breakdowns, check out the related videos in this playlist or see what's trending in the description below.